Hello everyone, I am Kim. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll share a beauty secret for glowing skin. Only you need some ingredients for making the serum. Our first ingredient is coconut oil. Coconut oil is very good skin moisturizer. It is really very good for dry skin. Our second ingredient is glycerin. Glycerin is really very good arsenic controller and also protect our skin from adverse effect of pollution. Our third ingredient is the vitamin E capsule. Being an antioxidant, it accelerates the healing of damaged skin and prevents the scars from being permanent. Our next ingredient is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel helps to remove tan and dullness and also helps to remove dark circles and dryness under the eyes. Our fifth ingredient is the rose water. Rose water has an anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce redness of irritated skin, get rid of the eczema. It is also a great cleanser. So I have taken half tablespoon of coconut oil and mix it with the half tablespoon of glycerin and 1 vitamin E capsule and 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and mix it with 1 tablespoon of rose water. You can cut the capsule like this and pour it in your mixture. Now fill this mixture in an empty container. Now keep this serum in a cool place. So our serum is ready. Now you can use this serum as a night cream after washing your face. Use it regularly for faster results. In a week you can see the results. It works with 100% surety. If you want to get more updates of my channel, then press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye bye.